Hindi naman. Hindi naman masyado. That's good. We want you to have a easy Monday today dahil exciting ang ating kwentuhan at ang ating makakakwentuhan. If you can see, we have tables and chairs, standing tables, and a little a la picnic area in the middle of this room with colorful bean bags because we want you to be comfy. You know, we want you to stay comfortable and feel free to sit or stand anywhere you want, okay? Now, to make sure na okay tayo, can you say hello to the person next to you? Hello? Hello? Ayan, di ba? Kaway-kaway, galaw-galawin nyo, baka nakatulog na eh, no? Sobrang chill ng ating setup. Ako po si MJ Felipe, ang inyong makakasama sa ating kwentuhan ngayong hapong ito. Dahil meron tayong exciting YouTube launch. I can't believe that she's launching a YouTube channel when I know she already has a YouTube channel. So pag-uusapan natin yan ngayong hapon. Now, we have all been invited here today to celebrate passion and creativity that helps bring color to our lives. Because, tama nga naman, why live in a life that's just black and white, di ba? When there's so much beautiful and colorful energy around us. Kaya salamat to all our media friends na nandito ngayon because malaki ang inyong magiging parte sa pag-spread ng positivity sa magiging viewers ng YouTube channel na ito. Now, we're also currently being live streamed on Facebook at the JSM channel and YouTube at the JSM_channel. Hello po sa ating mga live viewers watching us right now. Huwag po kayong mahiyang mag-interact, okay? Just type in anything just sa ating comment section and if you have time later, we'll read those reactions and messages ninyo para sa ating bisita. And speaking of pagmamahal, I hope everyone feels the love that is being shared in this very room. Team Jody has curated a special set of products and services for you to try. Nakita ko na yung iba sa inyo, no? Sinubukan na yon. Gaya po ng acupuncture and foot reflexology, an acu-detox session brought to us by Nada Philippines and the Visual Therapeutics Massage Clinic. I tried it! Si Madam Evita ang nagtusok-tusok ng aking ears. And nag-bleed yung sa heart. Nag-bleed yung sa heart. Stress daw yung heart ko, sabi niya. But please, try it if you have time later. Also, kasama natin ngayon ang Mango Events and Marketing Incorporated. Meron silang lovely booth setup. And nothing but the finest Ceylon tea brought to us by Basilur Tea. Where is it? There. And if tsaa is not your cup of tea, we have Escape Manila. Ayun. Escape Manila para sa ating mga coffee lovers. And if there's coffee and tea, best believe we also have Mocktails by Loved Much. Saan ang ating mocktails? Where? Ayun! Hello, what do you have? Anong flavor? Margarita? Mocktails ba yun? Yung mocktails yun. But sige, I'll try that later. Okay. At dahil Pinoy tayo through and through, kung may inumin, syempre merong lafang, di ba? May pagkain. We have here today Manila's premium charcuterie board, the Grazing Table Manila. Ayun, yun nandiyan. And to help us calm our senses, there's aromatherapy brought to us by Nice Crafts PH. I want to try that. Puntahan ko yan mamaya. And lastly, our small token of appreciation for all of you today. Don't forget to claim your personalized bag tags ng Speed Laser Studio. Thank you. Okay, do you see, did you get yung mga tickets kanina? Yung parang, ayan, ako na-try ko na yung isa. So, You have subs, so go around and try it later. Bitbitin nyo yan. Para yan sa mga complimentary gifts and services para po sa inyong lahat this afternoon. Okay, food and drinks ay sinuserve na. I hope nakakuha na kayo ng inumin and snacks. Thank you to Novotel Arena Hotel for being our home for today's celebration. Kaya sit back, relax, at chill lang tayo ngayong Monday afternoon. Now, I won't keep you waiting anymore. Allow me to call on stage the woman of the hour. With a psychology degree under her belt and decades long of career in show business. I didn't say matanda. I said decades long in show business. She's not just a multi-nominated and multi-awarded actress, but most importantly, a person with a genuine soul, who is a friend to all of us here na nandito ngayon. She does indeed need no lengthy introduction. Please welcome the very beautiful inside and out, Jody Santa Maria. Jodes, bati ka muna.
Hello! Finally, this is happening. Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you for being here. Malaking bagay po yung presensya ninyo dito ngayong hapon. Maraming salamat po doon sa oras, pagmamahal, at syempre, suporta po na ibinigay ninyo para po sa official media launch ng The JSM Channel.
Ang dami kong tanong. Kanina pa lang sabi ko, why is Jody launching a YouTube channel when meron na siyang YouTube channel? Have a seat, Jody. Pag-usapan natin yan. Magkukwentuhan tayo. Aabutan ka lang ng microphone para, ayan. Marami tayong exciting revelations today dahil may mga gusto ko yung mensahe. I have an idea already, but I like what message you are going to impart. Not just to all of us here, but yung magiging future viewers ng the JSM channel. Siguro meron tayong hinandang parang trailer.
Yes, we actually prepared an AVP so that you guys would somehow parang get a glimpse of what the channel will be and what the channel is all about. And if I may say lang, this idea actually started 13 years ago.
No way!
Yes, 13 years ago, I remember I was having a conversation in one of the restaurants in Tomas Morato with my manager, B-Boy Arboleda. So it was just a casual conversation, and during that time, I was telling Mother na sabi ko, you know, I really want to go back to school, ganto, ganyan. And then, si Mother was like, okay, if that's what you want to do. And then sabi niya, anak, why don't you kind of put up a YouTube channel? Because nung time na yon, medyo nag-gain na ng traction ang YouTube. And then I was like, okay, anong gagawin natin? Anong pwedeng magandang content or ilalamanin ng YouTube? Sabi niya, sige, parang namang doktor-doktora ka, gano'n na lang ang gawin natin. So parang, it's like going to be a parang salamat doc type of show. So that was 13 years ago. But that one did not materialize kasi naging busy tayo with work and, with so many things. And then in 2019, si Mother again, sabi niya, gagawin ko kayo ng YouTube channel. So, yung mga anak niya sa B617 Management. And then, finally, I was able to do a channel dun sa isa sa mga passions ko, which is traveling. So, ang naging content nun was pure traveling. But then, the pandemic happened. And of course, it made us, it was impossible for us to travel. Diba? So parang, hindi na siya natuloy. Tapos naging busy na rin ulit ako sa maraming bagay. So fast forward to 2024, it was mid-July. When I was thinking about the channel, sabi ko, the channel can be so much more. Hindi lang siya basta travel. Anong pwede kong gawin? Anong pwede kong i-content sa kanya? Ano ba yung message na gusto kong ilabas or ibigay sa mga tao? And then, that's when I realized that I want to be able to have a platform wherein I can spread positivity, be a source of inspiration to people, and bring joy to our audiences. So, nailuwal si the JSM channel. So that was mid-July of 2024. And then, right after I did the Lavender Fields, we started working on the content. We started working on everything about the channel, revamping my former YouTube channel. So, naging na siya, the JSM channel. So, really, it has 3 distinct shows.
I was about to ask, may shows siya.
Yeah, so it has 3 distinct shows that aims to just, uplift, empower, and be a source of inspiration to our viewers. There. Ang dami ko bang sinabi?
No, nakikinig lang kami. Go ahead.
Ayan. So, there. That's actually the goal.
Okay.
And later on, everyone will see naman sa ating AVP, the one that we prepared for you guys, more or less, a glimpse of the contents and the shows. First 3 shows for now.
Pa lang, di ba? 3 shows pa lang. Pero, eto na, panoorin natin yung trailer so that may idea na kami.
Yes, without further ado, I would like to introduce to you our channel, the JSM channel.
I love reading books, I love to travel, and minsan, wala akong lang naman sa buhay. Nakaka-relate ka ba? We are doing things a little differently. My hopes and dreams, yung insecurities ko, talagang lahat nandun. I also want to learn more. And maybe together, we can learn in the process. Live life. I've always wanted an avenue to share my experiences, to share my thoughts, the things that I have learned. Kailangan ganito ka, kailangan ganyan ka. Oh, you must be polite, you must be intelligent. Kailangan maganda, kailangan likable ka. Wait. Pagsubok is real. Maraming todo kayod sa araw-araw. Maraming pinagsasabay yung 2, 3, o minsan mas marami pang racket. Kaya marami rin nasasagad, nasasaid, nauubos. Yun ang tinatawag natin burnout. Sabi nga ng Bini, huwag mag-alala, ang buhay ay di karera. Where you are now is where you're supposed to be. You can say yes to taking care of yourself. Deserve mo yun. Tara, let's try to live life. Let's live tonight! Join me as we start a new tradition of celebrating stories na may hatid na good vibes together with good friends and good drinks. We are also capable of doing sublime acts of charity. Ano bang ibig sabihin ng sublime? Sublime. Grade 5 yan. Super join ako ng mga declamation contest. We're done. Nung 4th year high school ako, nung 28 years old ako. So, pinakamatanda sa class. Pero pinakamaganda. Let's drink tonight! Let's drink tonight! Welcome to JSM Travel and Tours. Traveling, it's an important part of my process. So we will join the quest of many Pinoys na ipagsigawan, ipangalandakan ang natatanging ganda at makulay na kasaysayan with the hopes to find something old and new to love. So today, magmamalabon Tricycle tour tayo. Open na open. How young is Marikina City Park?
85 years.
Nga, baka hindi mapantay.
Tada!
The Queen of Manila's Resorts.
The Queen! Ang ganda! Next batch po ng raw materials na gagamitin nyo para sa bayong, i-gift ko na po sa inyo to JSM Travel and Tours. Teaser pa lang yan, ha? Exciting times ahead.
Grabe, loaded na. 3 shows pa lang yun, loaded na. Parang ano ka na, pag may-ari, parang pa-Oprah level ka na, friend. Parang gano'n na siya. Pero ang exciting! Kasi lahat ba to, nakita ko yung isa, yung JSM Travel and Tours. Tara!
Papuntang travel agency na.
Travel agency ka na, friend. Pero at least hindi pa rin nawala kasi yun yung passion mo, yun yung hilig mo eh.
Yes, I really love to travel. I'm a self-confessed wanderlust. And with this one, with JSM Travel and Tours, ang gusto natin is to be able to explore different destinations, diba? Hindi lang yun, pati makadiscover tayo ng mga hidden gems, yung mga off the beaten path na hindi talaga karaniwang pinupuntahan. And what's so special about JSM Travel and Tours, what sets it apart is that the public service component to it. Because ano siya, it's originally yung working title po namin dito is Travel with the Heart. At the end of every show, there is a person or a community na mag-give back po tayo ng kung ano yung kailangan nila. So, yun siya. Kasi diba every time we travel, parang a piece of a place, parang naiiwan siya sa atin. But what I also would like to happen is to leave a piece of my heart with an individual or maybe a community.
Ganda! And then yung isa naman, let's drink to that.
Okay, so let's drink to that. Ito, isa sa pinakakwela na shows ng the JSM channel kasi hindi lang po ako ang nasa Let's Drink to That. I have co-hosts with me, si China Crab and si AC Soriano. Kindly give them a hand, please.
Mamaya tatawagin natin sila on stage for the kwentuhan. Pero maganda yan, very young yung ganong ano. Parang feeling ko walang script yun.
Actually, we're just given like different
bullet points lang, parang
and
talk
shows,
points.
and then okay, after each parang segment, we're given like mag-banter kayo dyan. We're given a chance to banter about kung ano yung feature. Because see, Let's Drink to That is like a show filled with good vibes. Because parang, and I was thinking of a show or a content for the JSM channel. Sabi ko, because I just want something na parang shows that would celebrate victories, even the small ones. And sometimes kasi diba, we're just parang flooded or minsan with mga news na sometimes heartbreaking. And I want to be able to have a news channel na magbo-broadcast ng puro good vibes lang. We just want people's faith in humanity to be restored. And for them to realize that there is, something to celebrate every day, diba? There's a reason.
Diba the victories every day? Meron yan.
Oo, so yun. So gusto lang natin ibalik sa kanila yon. Iba't ibang storya to ng mga tao, even storya ng mga pets, name it. Basta anything that will like make you smile and make you feel good. And at the end of the day, yung marirealize mo, okay, may mga maganda pa rin nangyayari. And syempre, diba, parang when you celebrate, you either say cheers or you say, let's drink to that.
Galing! Galing, Jody. And then the other one is Live Light.
Yes, Live Light. The Live Light naman was actually the very first show that's been conceptualized for the JSM channel. It's really just like a platform for me to like share my heart, my learnings, my experiences. And not only that, to be able to learn from other people as well through their comments, kasi may mga comment sections or sometimes letters, ganyan. And not only that, because He Live Light also has a Facebook page that can serve as a community group or a support group for a lot of people. So it is a safe space. And bukod doon, we also have like mga subject matter experts who will give their insights on certain topics. Because ayaw naman natin magmukhang bida-bida doon, di ba, na alam mo lahat, no. But then, of course, we need the help of like experts, di ba, to explain more and guide us with, you know, with whatever topic is being discussed.
Correct. Kasi minsan makaka-encounter ka ng sensitive topics.
Yes.
Diba?
And there are actually sensitive topics. There are like, hindi ko masasabi na taboo, but then difficult topics.
Right.
But they are very essential. They're very like, it's so important to talk about them. Alam kong hindi tayo lahat magkakasundo-sundo sa pagdating sa perspective natin sa mga topics. But then, we're just hoping to be open.
Right.
Diba? We're just asking for an open heart and an open mind. Diba? To receive what's there. And then if you don't agree, then you don't. Then if you do, then good for you. Or maybe you're just looking for a different perspective on a particular matter, then maybe the show can help you with that.
Ganda! Pero I have a question. The JSM channel, aside from it being your initials, meron bang ibig sabihin yun?
JSM would mean Journey, Stories, and More. Because I've always believed that life is a journey. And what's beautiful about the journey is that is where you experience sometimes the most heartbreaking, but then the most beautiful lessons. Diba sabi nga nila, it's not really about the destination, but the journey. And I believe that we are all in a journey. We're all traversing life. And all of us, we have stories to tell. I have a story, you have a story, and we have, a collective story. So that's also what we want to showcase in the JSM channel. And then there's more, because meron pang madadagdag.
Na shows.
Na shows. Yes, that's true. So sabi ko nga, this is just the first 3 shows.
Okay.
But then later on, we'll be adding more.
Yon! And also I noticed, Evolve, Inspire, Explore, right under your logo.
Yeah.
Anong ibig sabihin yan?
We're actually thinking of what do we stand for? I mean, what does this channel stand for? And I think sabi ko, these 3 words would perfectly describe the JSM channel. And evolution is really important, diba, in personal growth and building our resilience, diba, para we'd be more strong in terms of challenges. We can't get stuck. So we have to keep on transforming and evolving, diba, as human beings. And I think that evolution would also speak of my journey as a person, because I believe na ang dami ko na ring pinagdaanan. I mean, ang dami ng evolution na nangyari sa akin, not only with my life, but also sa career ko. And now, this is another one. So, evolve, this in there, and then inspire, because that's what we intend to do. It's what we aim to do, is to inspire people. And number 3 is to explore. With exploration comes discovery. So we would like not only to explore via travel, but then explore life itself. So that's why yung 3 words nandun.
Alam mo, nakikinig lang ako sa'yo, pinapakinggan lang kita. Parang, ang nasa isip ko, why do you have to do this? I mean, pwede ka naman ng kumuha ulit ng another project in TV or in movie or travel, gaya nga ng passion mo. But why, anong meron sa project na to that's so close to your heart that you really have to materialize it?
I think number 1 is like what I said, I'm sharing with people my passions. Number 2, I think na parang whatever you learned, diba, it doesn't end with you. Parang life is all about sharing. Diba, parang we are a channel Kumbaga, whatever learnings we learn or encounter, dumadaan lang sa atin yan. And then, it becomes a message to other people.
Right.
And I think parang in a world na sometimes filled with toxicity and negativity, I just like want this channel to become a sort of, you know, a beacon of hope or maybe light. And yeah, I think yun yung purpose why I did the JSM channel.
Na saka, you know what I think? Aside from your legacy at work, I think you're planting seeds on this channel. Not for your body of work, but for other people. Parang feeling ko yun yung ginagawa mo. Feeling ko yun yung magandang may iwan mo sa aming lahat. I know it's fast-forward thinking, but I can already feel it. Na parang amidst the chaos and the noise, especially online, there's this JSM channel that's just purely fun, inspiration, hope, and love.
Yes. And I think na parang just do for one what you can't do for all. So kung merong isang buhay ka na na-inspire, na bago, or na-push because of what they've seen sa channel, then I think na-serve ko yung purpose ko.
Galing! Ang galing! Grabe! Okay, we're just getting started. Isa-isahin natin. I know you already touched a bit of the shows. Okay, Love Life, may guests ba dito? Or it's just purely you and the letter senders? Paano?
With Live Light, it's just going to be me. And then there's, of course, we will delve into different topics. And then we have a subject matter expert na laging nagiging present whenever a topic is discussed.
Okay. For travel and tours, ano ba yan? International ba yun? Parang agency talaga eh, no? International ba to, Jody, or pwedeng local din?
For now, we are really exploring yung mga cities natin locally.
Okay. Oo, kasi minsan may mga, tama ka nga doon eh, undiscovered.
You know what,
diba?
MJ? Because isang realization for me, parang, okay, travel ako ng travel, labas ako ng labas, and yet, yung mga cities na meron tayo dito sa Pilipinas, nami-miss out ko. So with JSM Travel and Tours, ako yung natututo, ako yung nagugulat na, OMG, I thought itong place na to ay ganito lang. Pero pag nandun ka, it has so much to offer.
Right, kasi nga, well, through your channel, madi-discover na namin yon. Okay, etong next segment natin, meron tayong makakakwentuhan on stage kasi pag-uusapan na natin yung Let's Drink to That. Alright, let's call in ang nagpa-viral ng line ni Jody sa The Broken Marriage Vow. Your daughter is sleeping with my husband. Content creator and Showtime Online U host, AC Soriano!
Hello!
Hello, AC. Please join us. Yes. And, syempre, nakasama ni Jody naman sa Love You With An Accent at co-star din niya sa Lavender Fields, actress and comedian, Gina Crab. Hindi, wala ka pang mic doon. Ano sabi mo? Ano sabi mo?
Total, magkamukha naman kami para malito na kayo.
Bati ka na, Gina!
Hello, magandang hapon po sa mga bisita natin ngayon. Tsaka sa mga nanonood sa JSM Channel. Good afternoon, everybody! Ganon.
Sa energy!
Sa energy.
Hello po! Hello po mga ka-GSM natin dyan. What's up? Sana ay masaya yung mga tanghali at yung mga hapon nyo. Thank you so much po sa panonood.
Okay, AC Gina, kanina nabanggit na ni Jody partly, no, yung tungkol dun sa Let's Drink to That. Anong masishare nyo? What, siguro reaction when Jody called you, paano ba?
Oo, grabe, yung gulat ko rin. So, parang tuwang-tuwa talaga ako na napasama talaga ako dito, Sisi, ha? Huwag kang ano dyan. Kasi ano to eh, bago mag-Christmas. So, kinontak ako and everything. So, parang akala ko pa nga nung kinausap ko siya, is, ito na ba yung pinaplano mo dati pa kasi nun sa US, meron niyang mga sinasabi, uy, pag may show, puro ganun-ganun lang. Yung parang baklaan lang, charot-charot. Pero syempre ako, kung saan ka meron, go ako dyan. Hilahin mo ko dyan, kalat-kalit mo ko, hilahin mo yung baba ko kung saan mo gusto dalhin. Parang ganun. So, parang nung nangyari yun, noong December, nung tumawag, sabi ko, nagtanong si Ate Ay, sabi ko, of course! join ako dyan. Huwag ka nang magtatanong sa akin kung ano man yan, push, wala nang tanong-tanong lang, eme-eme ganyan. Tapos in-explain sa akin yung story, kung anong setup, kung anong gagawin. Ay, ang taray. Parang bagay talaga ako doon. Kasi happy-happy lang, good vibes. So parang gusto ko yung idea nga, syempre alam, pinag-uusapan nga namin lahat ng napapanood mo sa labas, yung naiinit ang ulo mo, nabubisit kapag nakita mo sa yung na-scroll mo sa Facebook, ano ba naman yan? So is ganun-ganun ka, di ba? Hindi maganda kasi puro negativity yung binibigay sa'yo. Wherein dito, yung pinag-uusapan namin is yung mga inspiring stories nga, na parang, uy, may ganun pa pala, oh my God, nakakatawa. Minsan kami, kasi on the spot lang naman din namin, parang, binigay kagabi yung script, ito yung story, pero walang background. And then, doon mismo sa studio, pag pinag-uusapan na namin, bago namin parang ibigay yung mga opinion namin. Kasi kanya-kanya kaming opinion, magkakaano lang pero kanya-kanya kami ng saltik. May sarili-sarili kaming opinion eh. But then again, nag-end up kami sa parang, oh my God, may mga gano'n kaming moment, yung parang tayo mga siraulo, tapos umiinom pa kami. Pero iniinom namin din naman alak, okay? Ano lang yun, pa-sweet na mga mixture na ganyan. Oo, kinaklaro namin kasi mamaya akala nyo bangag ako doon. Just lang yun na pa-sweet, pero napakaganda. So, I'm really happy and excited na mapanood nilang lahat yung mga isi-share namin kasi sobrang ganda talaga.
Koriko, parang same tayo Ate Gina. December ako minessage siya parang, would you be interested? So, oo naman, ito sa Mario na yan. Di ba parang, ikaw pa yung mahihiyang hindi. Tapos yun, hanggang sa parang ang unang shoot day natin is January. January din. O January 9. Tapos parang,
pagpasok ng taon, ang saya
diba? Pagpasok ng taon, bigla ka may trabaho. Parang for the whole year, good juju yun. Good juju. Katulad nga nung show namin na parang puro good juju lang. Hanggang sa to the point na actually nag-message ako kay Ate Jody. Or ewan ko baka nasabi ko sa'yo after the first day. Sabi ko sa kanya, Ate, thankfully hindi naman tayo toxic positive, no? Kasi yun yung iniiwasan ko din. Baka mamaya parang, GV, syempre you should also be aware din sa kung ano nangyayari sa labas, of course, di ba? Pero thankfully hindi ganun yung show namin na parang may slice of life pero sineselebrate kung sino yung mga paksa o yung kung sino yung mga topic of the day, kung ano yung mga good deeds nila, kung ano yung mga nagawa nila for the country. So yun, sobrang after talaga ng shoot namin, sobrang nakaka-GV. Parang nakasmile ka na lang ng ganun habang natutulog ka. Huwag lang tutuloy ng ganun.
Alam mo, kinakabahan ako sa running time ng show ninyo. Parang isang taping, ilang oras? Dalawa? Nai-edit na. Yun ang...
Well, kapag nagtitaping kami, talagang ang dami, hindi matigil talaga, dire-diretso. Kasi sometimes, merong pag-uusapang topic, tapos nagbe-build up lang siya na nagbe-build up sa kung ano-ano. Parang alam yung tatlong kaibigan nagkukwentuhan, ganyan. Tapos sobrang magkakaiba kami ng opinion minsan sa isang topic. Pero alam mo yung basta hindi tayo mag-aaway Parang we agree to disagree, ganyan. Pero kaya naman ng mga editors. Na-edit naman nila ng tama dun sa running time ng show.
I know.
Paad ko na kasi minsan habang hindi pa kami tapos, chika pa siya, meron pa ako sabihin, tapos si Mark o kaya si Patch parang nakaganon na parang hindi niya pa matatapusin.
Wrap up na.
Oo, diba? So sobrang ganda lang ng chikahan, di mo alam kung paano mo patatapusin, di ba?
Si Mark pala sa kasi Patch ang team niyo for Let's Drink to That. Diyos ko, mga asang-asana yan sa talk.
Mark and Patch!
Diyos ko, pag talk show, yan talaga. Okay, alam ko, yung ating mga friends from the press, excited na magtanong, di ba? Let's open the floor for questions. Si Tessa muna. We have an extra microphone that we can pass on sa ating mga... ito na lang. Okay, Tessa, bababa na lang ako para at least kasama ko yung mga friends from the press. Tessa!
Thank you, MJ. What a nice event to be hosting, indeed. And Jody, congratulations. You really never failed to surprise us with your whatever you decide to do sa career mo. I think when we were interviewing you for, I think, Lavender Field, sinabi mo na, you did announce that you won't be taking on too many projects muna sa showbiz. But none of us expected that you'd be doing a huge production like this. So has this always been in the plans, even before you finished I know you have a movie also with Regal that's showing soon. Now we saw the trailer just kanina lang.
Oo. Siguro it might seem that, parang this girl is just doing so much. But with Regal, kasi na yun, last year pa, natapos na yun. And then the other one that I did was Edge of last year pa, parang 2 years ago pa. And parang ngayon lang talaga pinapalabas. So, right after, well, even before Lavender Fields ended, it was already in my plans. Kumbaga, I think I'm just that person na parang, okay, what do I do next? Parang hindi talaga ako pwedeng mapirme. And so mid-July, that was last year. So dun ko talaga naisip na, okay, maybe I can do something with my YouTube channel. I can revamp it, and I can maybe produce shows and content that I guess the viewers will love. So that's what I did. And thank you Tessa for being here.
Of course, we wouldn't miss it. I mean, we're always looking forward to to all of these. Kasi sabi mo nga gusto mo laging bago, and this is really something new and something very exciting. In following your career also and interviewing you all these years, you've always been, very classy yung nagawa mo na you, in terms of sharing parts of your life, this is very intrusive, medyo intrusive tayo minsan sa mga celebrities natin, but you've handled it with so much grace, so much class these many years. You only, comment on what you'd like to comment, and if you don't want to talk about a certain part of your life, we respect it totally when it's Jody, because of the way that you reply to all our questions, and kahit makulit kami, diba? Pero how much are you going to share? Because YouTube channels, diba, people expect that celebrities really open up big parts of their lives to the to whoever streams, to netizens. And in that sense, nakakagulat that Jody will open parts of her life to us. How much will we see of Jody in behind the camera, supposedly?
In terms of the shows, that was actually one of the very first questions that I asked myself. How much am I willing to share? And naman, in terms of sharing, just because you're on YouTube, it doesn't necessarily have to mean that you just open the book and, hey guys, invite them, come on, read, ito na nangyari sa buong buhay ko. No, it's not going to be like that. What you're going to see is still me. And like what you said, parts of my life, not my whole life. And I think what I would want to share are those that comes with, valuable lessons. Kasi sometimes may mga nangyayari naman na hindi mo talaga necessary kailangan nang i-share. But I think those things that happen to me, those are the things that I would want to impart to the viewers. And if they learn something from it, if they pick up something from it, then that's good.
And last question, if you just don't mind, MJ, sorry, kasi natuwa ako lang that, this is, parang it really covers all of your interests. The travel is very obvious, and you've always had a kind heart. Kahit animals, tinutulungan mo, so there's that component. So well read, so well versed in so many topics. So you're all these discussions, and your psychology degree, I think, is gonna be coming out. Tama ba yon? Kasi yung isa sa mga one of the segments that MJ was talking about was you picking up on things and discussing that with is that you practicing your degree in a way that you should, because you're a celebrity and you have the platform to reach a bigger audience?
I don't want to say na it's a platform for me to practice my degree, so that makes all of you a guinea pig.
Well, just to share your expertise, siguro, that's better.
That is correct. It's really just me wanting to be able to share with all of you, or with the viewers, the things that are important to me, the things that are valuable to me, or that carries valuable lesson, the things that I experience, and some of my thoughts. diba? I just wanna put it out there. And if somebody kind of relates to that, diba, then they can just comment. And then from there, it can actually be like, you know, a conversation, like what I said a while ago, that there's going to be a Facebook page, like a sort of, you know, support group for, you know, a safe space for people na parang sige, kung anong gusto mong pag-usapan, ano yung dinadamdam mo or binibit-bit mo, sige, ilagay mo lang dyan.
Well, we look forward to seeing the episodes. Talagang it's how you prepare for any project that you do. Lahat talaga, no, na-consider mo, and you know, it's so well thought of. So congratulations, another big achievement for Jody Santa Maria.
Thank you, Tess.
All right.
Thank you, Tess. Before I hand the microphone to Bobby Recantina, may question dito si Gorgie Rule of Pep. So, ibig sabihin ba nito, Jody, mag-leave ka na sa pag-artista and focus on your JSM channel?
For now, my focus really is the JSM channel. But meron kasi akong mga projects na napag-committan ko pala since like late last year. And of course, kailangan ko pa rin i-fulfill yung obligations ko with them. So, tatapusin ko lahat ng yon. But for now, it's really the JSM channel.
Thank you, Jody. Next is Pao from Pep. Ayun. Teka, abot lang natin yung microphone.
Hello, Miss Jody. Congratulations on your US show, on your digital channel. You mentioned earlier that parang you were planning to do it like 2013 or 2012, and then fast forward 2024, ito na, nagkaroon na kayo ng discussion. What made you think na parang this is the right time to launch this JSM channel?
That's right. So 13 years ago, the idea started. Then 2019 nga, nagkaroon na ng YouTube channel. And then hindi lang siya na-push through. Hindi lang siya nagtuloy-tuloy because of the pandemic. And then 2024, I think it's not really about na parang sabihin mo na ito ba yung masasabi mo ba na ito ba yung right time? Because I think it's all about the readiness also. And sometimes, life gives you so many reasons not to do something because hindi ka pa ready. And that is something that I have to fight with na no, parang even if my head is telling me, you're not ready, you can't do this, but then I believe this is the right time. And this is something that I've prayed for. I remember telling one of my friends that back in 2017, during one of the churches prayer and fasting, when you go back to your prayer and fasting journals, titignan mo dun yung the things that you are asking God for. And lo and behold, nandito siya. It was part of it. This is actually an answered prayer. Kaya parang being here talaga pagpasok ko, it gave me goosebumps. And I was telling my friend, you know what? When you ask God for something talaga, hindi siya genie na bigla lang niyang ibibigay sa'yo yung mga hinihiling mo. But then, siya yung magsaset ng opportune time para mangyari ang isang bagay. I had to wait many years for this to come to pass. But then, God was faithful. This happened, and now we're all here today celebrating this moment. So, there.
It's actually an answered prayer and for everyone, especially sa mga supporters mo na aside sa glitz and glamour, makikita ka nila sa other side of camera. But just to follow up, are you ready for collaboration with your co-artists for this channel and also sa mga influencers out there?
I think that's not going to be a problem naman. The JSM channel is very much open to that, and also for guests kung kailangan natin, or even to producing more shows, more content.
Alright, thank you so much. Congrats.
Thank you, Pao. I promised Bobby na magtatanong siya. Bobby Recantina.
Hello, Jody. Robert from the Manila Bulletin. So first question, makikita ba namin dito si 3D?
Asa na ba yung anak ko? Naglaho siya, parang bula. He was here. You know what, I was asking my son before, when like, we were conceptualizing shows. I go, babe, would you like to have your own YouTube channel or maybe your own YouTube show? Niya, no. So, si 30, he's busy with school and you know naman how school can be so demanding. Mondays hanggang Fridays, nasa school yan. But if I can ask him to guest in one of the episodes, why not?
Okay, for my last question, you're now a certified vlogger. So anong mensahe mo sa mga fellow vloggers na nagkakalat ng fake news?
I think it's always good to do due diligence and to do fact-checking before you send out something out there. Knowing na you have followers, knowing you have a platform. I just hope that these platforms are used responsibly. Because you just don't know kung sinong buhay ang naaapektuhan ninyo dahil sa mga fake news na lumalabas. So, if you're given a platform, use it responsibly. Parang use it wisely. Parang instead of using it to just like tear people down or just for what? For you're gonna spread fake news for likes and comments and whatnot. I mean, is this something that you can be proud of? Is this something that you can tell your children na, anak, nagsispread ako ng fake news? So, there. Thank you.
Thank you, Jody, and congratulations.
Oh, certified vlogger ka na talaga eh, no? Uy, I just wanna make mention, no? Bukod sa mga press, may mga fans din pala dito, Jody. Jody Natix, tama ba ako?
Thank you for being here.
Nakakatuwa naman yung mga Jody Natix. Okay, before I give ito pala, si Chad Rosario of Manila Feed.
Hi, Chad.
Hi, Jody. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Ayan. For sure, marami na yung gustong maging part ng YouTube channel mo, mag-guest mo, at gusto mo rin i-guest. Sino-sino yung mga gusto mong i-guest at saang show mo sila gustong i-guest at bakit?
For me kasi, parang if there are people like interested in like not just guesting or maybe if you think that you have something good to share, then maybe we can actually not just do a collaboration but just to like maybe get you to be a part of the channel and have your own show, diba? So, yeah.
Pero yung personal mong choice, Jody, sino ang gusto mong makasama sa travel? And then sa Let's Drink to That, sino yung gusto mo ring magkaroon ng parang bookingan session? Or celebrating success?
Sila ang kasama ko sa Let's Drink to That. Baka biglang sila yung ma-elbow pag okay lang ba? Hindi. No, for travel, I guess, well, kasi sila yung lagi kong nakakasama ngayon because of taping. And napag-usapan natin yan na parang, kung magta-travel, si AC, sasama ko sa Cambodia.
Ako saan?
Walaan niyo kung saan. Sa Paris. Gusto niya.
Mayaman yung itsura ng Paris. Pero iiwanan daw niya ako. Wala kasing budget.
So, yun.
Okay, last question. Without spoiling yung magiging pilot nyo, no? Ano-ano na yung mga parang unforgettable moment mo while filming yung mga iba-ibang segment na dapat abangan ng mga viewers?
For Live Light, particularly, I can't say na parang I have a favorite segment. Kasi parang pakiramdam ko, lahat ng mga topics na nagawa namin for our first season, yes, isang season na yung natapos natin, are parang important for, for mga discussions, ganyan, something to ponder on. With Let's Drink to That, every taping day with these two is just like, parang fun. Minsan nga, lumalagpas na kami dun sa time namin kasi nauuna pa yung mga chikahan. And But what we really want to highlight sa Let's Drink to That is the stories of yung mga people na fini-feature namin. Their stories of victory na hindi lang sila or family sila, but then tayo din yung nagbe-benefit. At kung ano man itong sinasabi ko, kailangan abangan ninyo kung bakit tayo din yung magbe-benefit dun sa mga stories ng mga taong yun. And then for JSM Travel and Tours, may mga lugar kaming napuntahan, may mga cities kami na pinuntahan. Nag-start muna kami with NCR. Na-realize ko na, grabe no, pwede pala tayong mag-travel at makonsider mo yun na travel without riding a plane or maybe traveling too far. Kasi ang daming mga hidden gems, even mga, let's say, small cafes, mga startup businesses, mga art galleries na hindi gaanong napag-uusapan. So, parang yung mga tipong isang jeep lang nandun ka na, mag-e-enjoy ka at marami ka pang matututunan.
Thank you and congratulations.
Thank you.
Thank you, Chad. Now we have June Lalin.
Thank you, MJ. Yan, Jody, ang bongga. Ang in-expect namin, nung papunta kami dito, hindi ganito kabonggang YouTube channel. Pero may mga iba-iba kang shows. At mukhang lalaki pa, di ba? Pero parang gastos. Hindi ka ba nasi-shock? Kasi feeling ko, it's so hard na, it's so hard na mabawi ka agad, di ba? Talagang ang feeling namin lahat, eto nga si Biggs Almas, sabi niya, mukhang napakagastos ng YouTube channel ni Jody.
Well, tama ka naman dyan. Joke lang. Well, it is an investment for me. I'm investing in the show because I believe in the show's cause. And naniniwala, kasi it's something na pinaniniwalaan ko talaga. And gusto kong pasalamatan ng aking production manager because sobrang galing niyang mag-budget. Salamat for keeping our costs low. And syempre, kung nakikita niyo ngayon sa place kung saan natin ginagawang official media launch, gusto nating pasalamatan yung mga suppliers na nandito ngayon because nandito sila dahil pinaniniwalaan din nila ang The JSM channel and nandito sila with all their hearts. So maraming salamat for being part of this.
Yan, pero syempre good luck. No? Pero yung iba kasi, si kala niya.
Ano yun? Putang away-away.
Pero Jody, yan. Yung iba kasi, what they do is, puro mga pagpa-prank, mga ganun. Pero ikaw talaga, pinag-usipan mo yung channel mo. May mga gagawin kang immersion. Mag-immersion ka rin. Yung mga ibang mga ipipicture mo dito, gagawin mo yung buhay nila.
Yung immersion part, nasa ano po yan nasa travel and tours. Because, for example, if I may share that there was one community na pinuntahan po namin in Malabon, it's called Amapo. Sila po yung asosasyon na mga magbabayong ng Atis Potrero Malabon. So we went there, nagpaturo po tayo sa mga nanay natin doon kung paano po gumawa ng bayong. And nakakatuwa lang malaman na yung pagbabayong nila, nakapagpaaral sila, nakapagpatapos sila ng kanilang mga anak. So isa po yun sa mga communities na feature natin sa the JSM Travel and Tours. And isa rin yun sa communities that we were able to give them, parang a little something, a little gift para lang po i-appreciate yung kanilang ginagawa for the community.
Yeah, it's so nice, no? Kanina nga narinig namin yung parang ikaw magbibigay nung yung mga materials.
Yung raw mats po nila.
Yan. It's so nice, no? Na marami kang natutulungan. So, congrats sa JSM channel. Pero, tatanungin ko rin si China. Favorite ko siya.
Thank you po.
Stress din kasi ako. siyempre hindi kita makalimutan sa etiquettes for mistresses.
Andiyan po pala si Wang Chi. Charot lang.
Yun siya. Makikisakay ako sa plane. Pero yan, Chia, you're based again here in the Philippines?
For now. Bali ka darating ko lang last year February, tapos parang na-miss ko nga. So nagpaalam ako sa asawa ko kung pwede akong payagan na mag-comeback na muna, which is, thank you Lord, kasi pagbalik ko, nabigyan ako ng magandang project with Dreamscape at kasama ko nga si Ate Jody, sa Lavender Field. So, tapos yan, meron kaming project na ginagawa ngayon. So, dito na muna ako for now. So,
pero magpapabalik-balik ka.
Pabalik-balik, pag kinaya ng budget, pwedeng bumalik ba niya? Ay, di, meron plano naman para si Wang Chi. So, yan, pabalik-balik tayo, mother.
Si Jody before, she stayed in LA. Tapos, she decided na bumalik. Tapos, ang bongga ng career niya. Paano mo parang ikaw si Jody?
Kasi parang tutulad ng sinabi niya, na-feel niya na ito na yung tamang panahon para i-launch niya to. Ako rin, ito na yung feel ko na tamang panahon ng pagbabalik ko. Naramdaman ko rin po yan.
Pero yan, congrats sa inyong
Thank you po.
We're so excited to watch yung mga shows dito sa JSM channel. Yan. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, June. Now let's go to Naz Tabares of Hype Mania.
Hello, hi Jody. Gaano ka ka-hands-on sa channel mo? Ito ba yung tipo na makikilala ka namin on a deeper level per episode?
Super hands-on talaga. Because we do brainstorming and I'm a part of it. Syempre, I try to make sure na every episode na ipapalabas natin sa mga viewers natin would be in line with what the channel stands for. So, yun, if you're asking me kung gaano ako ka-hands-on, yes, very much hands-on. And I'm just so thankful for my team also kasi hindi ko naman siya magagawa ng ako lang mag-isa.
Curious lang din, paano yung magiging bagsak ng episodes? May schedule ba?
Yes, we do have a schedule. Meron tayong our live streaming. So, today yung live streaming, pero sa hindi. The streaming starts on March 4. So, yung pinakaunang episode natin ng Live Light, ipapalabas siya next Tuesday. So, 7 p.m. po yan. And then, right after that would be JSM Travel and Tours. Sa Thursday naman yan. Every Thursday, 7 p.m. And then, lastly, tuwing Sundays naman po ang pag-upload po natin ng Let's Drink to That, 11 in the morning.
So, it's a Tuesday, Thursday, Sunday. No? 7 p.m. yung Tuesday and Thursdays, and then 11 a.m. yung Sundays. Okay, got it. Thank you, Naz. Maraming salamat. Let's move to Nikki Wang. We have down to our last 3 questions na. Si Nikki naman.
Thank you, MJ.
Hi, Nikki.
Hi. First of all, congratulations sa iyong YouTube channel. And I'd like to commend the venue,